With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello student, the problem is identify A, B, C in the given reaction sequence. So here this cyclopentane is a reactant, and with this oxidation this form a compound B, and reaction with Cn minus and in the presence of H plus this form compound B, and again H plus with heat C, and again this is a E compound. So here this B compound is H2O, and in the presence of H plus this form the compound D. So we are finding all the compounds A, B, C and so on, C and D and E. So now first of all cyclopentane is given. So first we make a cyclopentane over here so that we can proceed further. So we make a cyclopentane over here. So we make a cyclopentane as good as possible. Here the 5 carbons, cyclopentanol. So OH is also be there. So from this, here the OH compound, this is cyclopentanol. Now this compound react with O, or this meaning this is oxidation. In the oxidation, so after oxidation, what is the compound? Now that it form this cyclopentane. Here this cyclopentane, double bond O after oxidation. So in the next step with Cn minus, the reagent is over here Cn minus. So Cn minus is attack over here, and this is take over here. So the next compound is this 5 carbons. So over here this Cn minus attack on this carbon, and this move to the oxygen side, and this it form compound like this. Over here this Cn is attached over here, and oxygen take negative sign, O minus. Now in the presence of what is over here, this A. So labeling, this is A. Now what is B? B after the H plus. So after reacting this compound with H plus, we give the H plus over here. So it form the compound like Cn as well as OH. So this is our compound B. Now again this B compound with H2O. So we find first this. So B compound with H2O, it form the D compound. So after this compound react with H2O, so it forms D compound. So H2O as well as H plus over here. So this compound look like here the 5 carbon chain, and from this here COOH group, and there is a OH group as well. So this is called alpha hydroxy acid. Now again we proceed in this manner. So B is with H plus, this compound is B, and now this is our D compound. This is D, this is B. Now we are finding C compound. So we take first B compound. So B compound is, this is our B compound. B compound is react with H plus. So we give it H plus and heat, H plus with heat. So it will form the D compound. It will form C compound. So what is C? So first of all we give the H plus, so that this H plus attack on this H plus attack on that oxygen, and this form the OH2. So H2 is removed over here, and along with this double bond over here. So this OH2 is removed, OH2 plus is removed, we take the negative sign. So here some positive sign there, and also here one hydrogen is removed, minus H plus. So this here one hydrogen is also be there, so the double bond is forming. So now product is look like this. The product is over here, this is CN and double bond. This is our compound C. Now what is compound E? So compound E is very simple. Now this reaction with H2O. React this compound with H2O in the presence of H plus. So it forms acid. This acid COO H with double bond. So this is cyclopentanoic acid and here this is ene. So we can, the final product is this. This is our D product. We can find the IUPAC name as well. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4, 5. So 1-ene pentanoic acid. So this compound is our E compound. So we find all the compounds. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.